Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to frame a poster. First, gather your materials, your poster, a frame, a clean cloth, and possibly a mat board. Selecting the right frame is crucial. It should enhance your poster, not overpower it. Think about the poster's colors and your room's aesthetic. A mat board can add a professional touch and create a visual buffer, keeping the poster from touching the glass. Before framing, ensure your poster is perfectly flat. If it was rolled, carefully unroll it and let it sit under some weight for a few hours. Next, clean the frame's glass or acrylic with a specialized cleaner and a soft, lint-free cloth to avoid streaks. For best results, consider attaching your poster to an adhesive foam board. This provides excellent stability, prevents wrinkles, and offers an extra layer of protection. Now, let's assemble the frame. First, remove the backing and any protective film from the glass or acrylic. Carefully place the clean glass into the frame. If you're using a mat board, position it next, ensuring it's centered. Then, gently slide your poster, ideally mounted on foam board, into the frame. Finally, replace the backing board, securing it with the frame's tabs or clips to hold everything firmly in place. The final step is hanging your beautifully framed poster. Select hanging hardware suitable for the frame's weight. Lighter frames might use nails, while heavier ones need wall anchors. Measure the distance from the top of the frame to its hanging mechanism, then transfer this measurement to your wall. Mark the spot, install your hardware, and use a level to ensure perfect alignment. Now, step back and enjoy your newly displayed artwork.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.